Hey everyone, in today's video, I want to show you exactly how much TikTok paid me for 1 million views on TikTok. And if you're not familiar with this, TikTok basically has this thing called the TikTok Creator Fund. And they paid the content creators on there a certain amount of money based on how many views they get. Now you do have to apply and you do have to qualify to get in, but I just made a video on everything I did to get approved for that. So watch that if you want to join the Creator Fund. Here, I just want to show you exactly the analytics of 1 million views in a couple of days, and then exactly how much they paid for those views that match up with those days. And with TikTok, you could use the TikTok app here for all of that, and you could use also tiktok.com and log in and see some of your analytics on there. So I got 3.8 million views since I actually joined about 7-8 days ago, but a lot of those views were before I joined the Creator Fund. But here on the TikTok app, basically, if you have a creator account and you join the fund, you get this thing called the creator tools. If you jump in here, they have the creator fund over here, but I'll show you the analytics here so you can see how it matches up with the video views here. So if you go to this page, what I got paid for was 875,000 views here and 136 here and 107. So about 1.2 million views if you add all these up. Now the problem is, you do already have to get to 100,000. So the couple bigger viral videos before that million views, like these 2 million views, so almost the 2.9 million views before that didn't get monetized because it takes a few days to apply and then to get in after you go viral for the first time. So let me show you what that adds up to here under the Creator Fund tab. So today you can see I got $1. So let's look at the dashboard here. So the day I got accepted for about 200,000 views, I got $6. And then the day after that, this is about 875,000 views, about $23. And then the day after that, $3. So I didn't go viral after this video. I did go viral multiple times previous to this video though, but I was not in the TikTok Creator Fund at that time. So far, this is about 5 days worth of revenue, about $36. But I did come up with a pretty good strategy for going viral, so I was able to do it 3 times in 7 days, but it doesn't happen every single time. And I did make a video on exactly how I structured my video to go viral. But the real power of TikTok is not how much they pay you for the Creator Fund. It's the ability to go viral, get a lot of viewers, and then get people to other platforms or products or services. So for example, what I ended up doing is I put my YouTube channel here to try to get people to go to YouTube. That didn't work so well though, because here's the problem. If you click on this, it opens a browser here. So it's really hard here to subscribe. What you want to do is actually link up here. I did it with Instagram where it takes you directly to Instagram. I was able to get a couple of 100 followers using this method. So I recommend you could link Instagram and YouTube here, but you could link your website here. So if you have a product or a service, that's a good place. Again, you need the Creator Fund to add that. But I want to make a follow-up video in a few days to show you a bunch of other ways to make money on TikTok, because the fact of the matter is it's so much easier to go viral on TikTok than any other platform. So you could utilize that virality and not just rely on the Creator Fund, because as you saw, it's not very much money. So it doesn't make sense for creators to rely on it. But you could rely on that attention and get people to YouTube and other platforms that I'll follow up in the next upcoming video. And I'm also making a video comparing 1 million views on TikTok to 1 million views on YouTube. I want to show you exactly how much I get paid for both, so you could kind of get a comparison. It's really mind-blowing. I'll post that below as soon as it's released. I hope you found this useful. Please give it a thumbs up. I'll see you next time.